Hey, hi there, Leo. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning into those energies and influences that are coming through for your weekly reading, September 8th to the 14th of 2018. Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is a condensed general reading. Please only take the portions that resonate with you. Okay, Leo, off camera to save time, I've done a protective blessing. I've meditated over and shuffled these cards just for you. Your first card. It's the general atmosphere. It's the background and the basis of the matter. The Knight of Swords, Leo. This is air energy, always representing the mind, the thoughts. This can be a communication coming in, rushing in. Lots of it back and forth. Emails, text messages, voicemails, back and forth. This is movement and action. It's speed and swift action. This is a message that you've been waiting for. Could create some drama. This is at the speed at which people debating changes people. And this can be someone rushing to judgment. It could be a person who is overly aggressive. Or it could be some kind of message that might bring some mental conflict or differences of opinion. You'll need to use diplomacy and honesty, and eagerness can create problems and drama. This is someone that's impatient. They're sharp-minded and they're direct and idealistic, and they're a great problem solver and debater. They're rational and they're not driven by feelings, and yet they're headstrong and impatient. Their communication can be very direct, and they feel very passionately about their own ideas, and they will spare no one's feeling in getting their point across. Although they are very intelligent, they often jump to conclusions. This is also sudden changes. It can disrupt your normal habits and routines. This is enthusiasm that takes wings. So use determination and your curiosity and your sharp intellect with focus. Your second card, and this is the energy that's crossing over your path. This is really good, Leo. The Ten of Pentacles. This is earth energy. This is a card representing stability, long term. It's really good. It's legacy. This is a monetary gain. It's increased stability and enjoying the fruits of your labor. It's security and material comfort, wealth, social standing, permanence, physical security, conventional thinking. It also represents the establishment. This is a successful financial venture. Could also indicate an inheritance that can provide for those concerned, or a very special partnership. This is a card of traditions. Can be a holiday celebration. If you have a question as to how things should be done, think back to the way your elders would have solved the problem. Someone wise beyond their years. This can be investments, passive income. It's firm foundations for home and family life. Your family is supportive. It's also trusting what worked in the past will in the future, and there's had to be discipline. And now your third card. This is how it affects you. This is your attitude, Leo. Really good. The Four of Wands. Fire energy. This is a celebration and reward. It's reaping the fruits of your labor. It's the completion of a phase. It's good times. You're celebrating results. This can be harvesting, have to do with your home. It's extremely positive, and you're going to get to enjoy life and reap rewards. And something new is soon coming. A happy time and success, being happy and productive. It's a celebration and reward. It's also a pause in activities in that tranquil time of rest. Again, it could be a holiday. Could even be purchasing a new home. This is a foundation for creativity. This card heralds prosperity, arrival, and rejoicing. being happy and triumphant, liberated and sociable, doing things like reaching a milestone, graduating, marrying, enjoying festivities. Has to do with teamwork and your gratitude and your home. This can be putting down roots or moving in together with someone else. Celebrate a housewarming. It's the 1111 card portal, twin flame, which brings a sense of stability. You do have the right attitude for positive changes. There's harmony and prosperity and peace. And if there'd been any suffering, there's going to be a return to happiness. This brings a sense of well-being and a settled quality. Your fourth card, it's the position of the future. It's the outcome, the results, and the advice. The Eight of Pentacles, Leo. I'll be giving you the combination meanings coming up. The Eight of Pentacles is earth energy. It's working steadily. It's honing your craft. It's using your skills and doing a good job. This is a symbol for striving for self-perfection. It is someone's sun in Virgo. It says dedication. It's the beginning of a profitable undertaking. This can be employment or commission to come, and skills in material affairs, and handiwork in the arts. It can also be an apprenticeship. This can also indicate employment to come. This is someone that's being steadfast, meticulous, disciplined. They're skillful, they're proud of their work, and they're precise and detail-oriented. This is using your concentration and your dedication. It's applying your skills in a productive manner, and you know how to go about achieving what you want. And as long as you're sincere and persevere, then your efforts will succeed. And there's a new venture that will be successful because you are training yourself intensively with a clear goal in mind. It's deepening the understanding of the subject, doing groundwork. It's unwavering attention that creates success. And now your fifth card. It's the bottom of the deck card, the underlying issue. This is what's unseen. Number 10 of the Major Arcana in the Rider-Waite deck, the Wheel of Fortune. Here you are in this, Leo, as well as Scorpio, Aquarius, and Taurus. They're the fixed signs. They hold steady towards the inevitable. They're also the guide signs that lead us on to the next phase of life. This is a good omen. It's karmic hope. It's fate. It's inevitable fate. There's something that's happening that's going to benefit you. It could be a surprise. You have no control over the circumstances of this surprise. It has nothing to do with what you either deserve or work to achieve, because life is given a gift, and you must make the choice to accept what is offered, even if you don't understand its meaning. But change is inevitable. There's a karmic lesson to be learned here. It's a beneficial outcome. A lucky break. A change of course. You may feel the urge or be inspired to do something a bit different. Go with that feeling. Because when you change your environment in a new way, the universe brings in new blessings like a breath of fresh air feeling. So decide how to respond to change and control your temper to maintain balance and stay calm when everything seems to be spinning out of control. This is a critical turning point. The Eight of Pentacles with the Wheel of Fortune. This is being lucky with money, making wise investments. It could also be receiving a promotion. It's seamless change. And this position here has a future, and your success is coming soon. The Eight of Pentacles with the Ten of Pentacles. This is a growing bank account and the ability to save regularly. And now here's your advice from the Oracle deck. Trust your vibes. By Sonia, Choquette. Leo, you've got Vibe Check. Card number 30, Vibe Check. A sixth sensory person. It's important that you pay keen attention to the tone and level of vibration surrounding you as you seek to remain in good vibes. Start to rate your vibes by how they affect you in all situations on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being positive vibes that leave you feeling energetic, lighthearted, relaxed, and 1 being negative vibes that leave you feeling drained, uneasy, insecurity, and not yourself. Scan all situations with a vibe check, from the restaurant you enter, to the new car you consider buying, to the hotel room you pay for. If the vibes feel good, carry on. If not, move to higher ground. You don't have to explain your vibes to trust them. A good vibe is good, and a bad vibe is bad. Feeling it is reason enough to trust it. Aim to keep your experience at a 7 or above on the good vibe scale, and if you're in a less than a 7 situation and cannot move to a higher ground, use the other tools in this deck to protect and strengthen your aura until you can. Thanks, you guys, Leo. I hope you stay tuned in and leave me a comment or a thumbs up. And please subscribe. Now remember, what goes around comes around, so I'm sending you out love and light and blessings. Thanks for watching.